Pilipino magsabi that I'm too tamed. Ano ang gusto ninyo? Girahin natin to? Mapupulbos tayo lahat. And even this Rokos in Ukraine, magdasal lang tayo na it will not degenerate into something like a nuclear warfare. Tapos tayo. Tapos tayong lahat. Because China would not stand idly and allow Russia. You know why? When I was in China, pinangkahan ako ng Xi Jinping that we will not allow our ally, most important ally, Russia. Noon kasi nag-ano na, there were already bickerings and rumblings and everything. And to think na ang pinag-awayan nila, wala naman tayong pag mag-nuclear, tatamaan talaga tayo. Kasi, tanong kayo ba, nandito yung Amerikano. Hindi talaga umalis yan sa Clark, pati sa Subic. Inibalang nila yung maneuverings niyan. Nandyan sila sa Subic, nandyan sila sa Clark. Now, pag bagira, tatamaan talaga tayo because we do not know and will never know if there are nuclear armaments brought this dangerous armaments of war. Yan ang, keep that in mind kasi delikado talaga ito. You just push the button and that's it. Mahirapan na tayong lahat. We will have a dry season sa ating buhay.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.